let's do like something exciting in the beginning.
Ready?
You say hey, then I'll say hey.
Hey guys!
Hey!
Hey! It's Sean, the health insurance guy, and
Nick, the health insurance guy.
we're back again to chat.
We know that everybody is really excited to talk about health insurance because it's way more fun than like watching the X Games or the Olympics.
It's
or...
what I like to do on a Friday night. Read
Yeah,
policies.
man.
Yeah.
Partying?
Gets
No,
me
man.
excited.
Like, I'm not going clubbing. I'm
No.
talking about health insurance.
It's the wave of the future.
Yeah.
Wave of the future.
Yeah.
So what do we got going on today?
A couple things I want to talk about were short-term medical plans. A lot of
Yes.
you people out there don't know about short-term medical plans.
Yep.
And why they're important, why you should get them. You hear the word short-term and you start freaking out usually.
Yep.
It's okay to freak out, and it's okay for us to explain why you shouldn't freak out.
Correct.
So,
and you know what? The news just popped off about how
The 12-month
Did you
thing.
just see that? Yeah, it's now going. The reason it's called short term is because it's known as gap insurance. You know, you lose your job, you're getting another job. It's going to take 3 months to get their group insurance. So you need something. God forbid you get hurt. You need something to cover you, right, for that 3 months. So that's why it's called short term. It still covers everything that any other major medical insurance covers. But now they're going 12 months with it, and the news is kind of blasting it, saying, "Oh, they're junk plans, and they're gonna, you know, they're not as good as Obamacare, and blah blah blah." I'm like, what? Did you see any of that?
No, I haven't, but I can
crazy.
I know that people talk like that about
Yeah, it's insane.
it. So, you know.
That's not even close to what it is.
No, I mean, honestly, here's the truth. You go to healthcare.gov, you get a plan. Yeah, you may pay like a lot less for it sometimes.
Yep.
But you're gonna have a high deductible.
Yep.
You're gonna have a high max out of pocket.
Yep.
And what's gonna happen is, it's not the cheaper plans. They're not gonna cover any of your like doctor visits, X-rays, labs, stuff like that at all until you get that deductible taken care of.
$7,000.
So you may think, yay, I got out of here with like $150 a month plan, and we're
awesome.
middle-aged.
Yeah.
But you know, when you go see the doctor, they're going to say, sorry, full price, sorry, full price, sorry, full price. Oh, now you've spent $6,000. Now there's a $50 gap between that and your max out of pocket.
Yeah.
And then you don't have to pay anything.
Yeah.
So
everything's out of your pocket.
Yeah.
So they're more catastrophic, I would say. You're not
Yeah.
going to use it for.
Yeah.
You're not going to use any of it because you may be paying $150 a month, but every time you go to the doctor, you're paying that full bill, whether it's $300, $2,000, no matter what. The deductibles are just insane. So the great thing about short-term insurance is, well, I mean, if we want to get into it right away, we can
let's
basically
do it.
build a plan around your budget. Not only that, but a lot of short-term companies, they're going to have lower deductibles. They're going to have lower out-of-pocket maxes. I did a plan for a guy in Montana yesterday. 62. His Obamacare plan was like $1,500 a month with a $7,000 deductible. I got him a National General plan, which is a short-term company, actually one of the top-ranked short-term companies, and his plan was I think $600 a month or $630, something around there, and he had a $1,000 deductible and a $2,500 out-of-pocket max, $50 urgent care copay fees. I mean, how can you go wrong?
Yeah, I mean, we have plans where the average discount's 52%. Okay,
Yeah.
so you go to a doctor office, it's supposed to be $150. You'll probably pay $75, probably.
Yeah.
You know, lab work is $200. You might pay $100. You know, if you go to some of those healthcare.gov plans, you're paying 100% until you pay your out of pocket. And so, short-term medical plans, it's not that scary that they're short-term. Usually, the deductibles are lower, the max out of pocket's lower. They do reset every 3 months right now, but the plan is with Trump changing the laws, right?
Well, yeah.
That eventually
The government. Yeah.
That eventually, it's going to be where that 3 month plan, a 6 month plan, whatever, is going to turn into a 12-month plan.
And you don't have to renew it.
Yeah, and
So
then
it
it's
stays.
going to be a lot more attractive for some
kidding
people.
me? Yeah.
And healthcare.gov is going to have a hard time keeping up, I think.
Yeah, it's
So-
all but gone, and I don't think it's all but gone because again, with the short-term companies, I even hate calling them short-term companies because they're not. They do major medical. They do everything.
Like it's a degraded,
it's a degraded product, but it's not.
It's not.
I think with the new law that's passing, it's going to be. I don't see unless you're really unhealthy. You know, you have
if you're sick.
if you're taking a bunch of medications and all that, then you know ACA plans or Obamacare plans or whatever you want to call it plans. You know, you can find a great plan, and you know we can also build plans for folks. But with the short-term plans, you know there are pre-existing condition clauses, so you know not everybody can get one, and that's another reason it pays to be healthy or stay healthy or whatnot. You know.
Yeah. If you're sick, you need Obamacare. Okay,
Yeah,
there's no way
plain and
around
simple.
that.
Yep.
If you're pregnant, you need Obamacare.
Yep.
If you take a ton of medications, you don't necessarily need Obamacare.
Correct.
Okay, but if it's followed with pre-existing conditions, yes.
Yes.
But if you're healthy, you just take a bunch of expensive medications. For example, if you're old and all your body parts don't work right, and you need Viagra, you know, healthcare.gov, you don't need that because of that.
Correct.
But there might be prescription plans out there that will cover that.
We know a guy, right?
Yeah, we know a guy.
We'll hook you up, don't worry.
So, short-term plans are great for people who are healthy.
Yep.
If you're healthy and you don't have a lot of medical problems, we can get you usually pretty cheap insurance. Okay, I'm going to say affordable.
Affordable, yeah, because you don't want cheap.